Now we shall proceed with the tableau presentation of one of the most unfortunate events in our history, Jallianwala Bagh.
A dark chapter in India's freedom struggle, that's Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Jallianwala Bagh massacre was also known as Amritsar massacre. It was one of the most tragic and unforgettable incidents in history of India's freedom struggle. It was a brutal incident in which British troops opened fire on a large gathering of unarmed Indian men, women and children. This incident took place on 13th April 1919 on day of Baisakhi in Jallianwala Bagh at Amritsar located in Punjab. Jallianwala Bagh was an enclosed public garden surrounded by high walls and buildings with a narrow entrance and limited space for escape. Thousands of people gathered there on that day. While some people gathered there to celebrate the festival of Baisakhi and some people gathered there to peacefully protest against Rowlatt Act, a harsh law that made British government to arrest and imprison people without any trial. The gathering was considered as a great challenge for British authority. Brigadier General Reginald Edward Harry Dyer, a British Army officer, arrived at Jallianwala Bagh with his armed troops without giving the crowd proper warning or sufficient opportunity to disperse. He also ordered his troops to open fire on unarmed people who gathered over there. As the crowd had very limited space to escape, many were trapped and many were unable to flee. The firing started continuously and resulted in deaths and injuries of many innocent peoples. Jallianwala Bagh massacre also caused shock, grief and anger throughout the India. It also destroyed the faith of Indians in British justice and also determined protest against British rule. Jallianwala Bagh massacre was one of the major turning points in history of India's freedom struggle. It brought Swadeshi or self-rule and encouraged people to participate in it. Jallianwala Bagh was more stronger and more widespread. It also increased the Mahatma Gandhi's leadership and made people to actively participate in this great Indian national movement. Jallianwala Bagh massacre will forever remain in our hearts and minds and courage and sacrifices of many Indians who fought bravely for this great Indian national movement. Thank you. Jai Hind.